First, lift the conveyor to the topmost limit. Now find the two set screws in the buffing unit and loosen them up until you can remove the buffing wheel. Open the bottom door of the machine to have access to the bottom buffing motor. Turn the wheel until you have access to the set screw. Then loosen both of the set screws and remove the bottom buffing wheel. Now, remove the bolts from both buffing units. Make note that the top buffing wheel bolt loosens clockwise. The bottom unit bolt loosens counterclockwise. When reinstalling, make sure that you thread the bolts in the correct direction. Once you have the new parts, replace your buffing wheels. When reinstalling, make sure that the set screws align with the flat notch on the motor shaft. Slide the bottom unit back, then tighten the set screws. Repeat the process on the top unit. Before running your machine, check for play in the buffing wheels. Retighten if necessary.